What if you could own machines that make you money without needing employees or a massive startup budget? With the right business machine, you can automate income, reduce effort, and build a business that runs itself. In this video, I'll reveal 10 powerful machines you can buy online that will help you generate serious income in 2025. Stick around until the end because the last one is an absolute game changer. Let's dive in and unlock the future of automated profits. Number 1. AI-powered vending machines, the ultimate passive income stream. Traditional vending machines are profitable, but what if your vending machine could predict what customers want before they even ask? AI-powered vending machines can track sales, suggest products, and even restock themselves. These machines accept digital payments, offer contactless transactions, and can sell anything from snacks to high-end electronics. Once placed in a high-traffic location, it works nonstop, bringing in cash day and night. Imagine setting up one at a busy airport, gym, or university. AI will analyze peak sales hours, adjust pricing dynamically, and even promote certain products based on trends. The best part? You don't have to be there to run it. Your machine does everything for you. The technology behind these machines is advancing rapidly, making them one of the smartest investments for 2025. Number 2. 3D printers, print products, and print profits. What if you could manufacture custom products from your home and sell them online? High-speed 3D printers can create everything from jewelry and phone cases to home decor and prototypes. With platforms like Etsy, Amazon Handmade, and Shopify, selling unique, custom-made products has never been easier. Your machine does all the work while you collect orders and ship them out. Even businesses need 3D printed prototypes before mass production. If you offer custom printing services, companies will pay premium prices for quick turnarounds. The possibilities are endless, and the income potential is massive. As material technology improves, 3D printing is becoming faster, more precise, and more profitable than ever before. Number 3. Laser engraving machines turning ordinary items into high-profit products. Personalized gifts and branded merchandise are in high demand. What if you could turn everyday items into premium, custom-made products? A laser engraving machine allows you to add names, logos, and intricate designs to wood, metal, leather, and glass. People love personalized products, and businesses need branding, which means endless customers for you. You can engrave custom cutting boards, wine glasses, phone cases, and even corporate plaques. With minimal materials and low operating costs, you can charge high prices for each engraved item, turning a simple machine into a cash flow powerhouse. The ability to produce highly customized designs in minutes makes this an easy business to scale up quickly. Number 4. AI-powered t-shirt printers, your own clothing brand on demand. Custom t-shirts are always in demand, but what if you could print and sell designs instantly without outsourcing? AI-powered t-shirt printers let you create professional quality designs on shirts, hoodies, and bags. Whether you sell online or in person at events, this machine can turn your creativity into serious profit.